Hi, welcome back to Ensign Equipment. I'm Andrew Hartline, the sales manager here. Today I've got a short options video to go over with you, and it's going to be on our auto manual package that we offer for our container dumpers, just like the one I have behind me. The auto manual package features a selector switch to get you between auto and manual function. We indicate the state of the machine via the stack light as part of the standard package. So auto mode is going to be green, manual mode is going to be yellow, and when a safety circuit is activated, we'll indicate that with a static red stack light. Operators are able to load the dumper in, exit, hit the safety reset button, and then also the cycle start button. And this allows them to do more of a, what we call a dump and run fashion. So they're not actually physically holding the momentary push buttons like they would on our standard control package. This is going to free them up to be able to do other things, whether it be go get another container because we're doing a more high speed, or for them to be able to monitor something more downstream from this system because we're controlling everything automatically in the control panel. So I'm going to start this machine and show you what a basic auto cycle looks like, and then we're going to talk about some of the things that we can do once we get an auto package involved in a project to further improve process performance on what's happening to the downstream side. So at the most basic level, an auto dumper will rotate up, hold to that full rotation for an X amount of time, and then we'll rotate back to home and be ready to be cycled again. But once we get an auto package involved in a project, we're able to further improve performance by integrating in additional things such as variable speed controls, where we can ramp up and ramp down certain points of the cycle so that we can speed up the cycle or better control the rotation of the dumper and how the material is introduced into whatever that downstream system is. We can also integrate in level switches that we're discharging into in the vessel that we're discharging into, so that we don't just rotate over and surge a bunch of material into that downstream hopper or vessel and then it's overflowing. So we're essentially doing some bulk metering into that vessel. We can also integrate in some specific control features where the machine doesn't necessarily rotate to full rotation. Maybe it rotates to 110 degrees, then pauses, rotates to 120 degrees, then pauses, and then so forth, and do different things with the dumper so that we control the flow and we improve the performance of the system that's downstream from us, all whilst not having to have an operator be involved. They're able to be downstream or handling other portions of what's happening in your facility. So hopefully this video brought you some value. If you'd like to discuss more of it, please reach out to us. One of our sales engineers would be happy to talk to you about what the features and options are and things that we can do. Please share with your cohorts in the industry, and we'll catch you on the next one.